In front of me is WIEPPO S5, and let me show you how to deactivate or activate dial pad tones on the following device. So as you can hear currently, it's active, so you can hear each off digit. And if you'd like to switch it off, just open the settings, then find and select sound, and go to other sounds. Here just unmark dial pad tones, and now it is not active. As you can hear, it is muted. And obviously you can change it the same way. So if you'd like to activate once it is muted, smoothly open sounds and then activate it smoothly by tapping. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.